What's up YouTube? You're watching Radial TV, and today we're featuring the Nomad Basestation wireless charging dock. So let's open this up and we'll show you why this is our favorite wireless phone charger. So the box layout is pretty minimal. There's the power cord, and there's a UK adapter for the power if you live in the UK or if you're traveling. And this is the EU power adapter, so right out of the box you have options depending where you are or where you live. And here's the base station charging pad. Let's get it out and take a look. The first reason we picked this was the look and design. So you have to think of your charger as a home decor item, not just electronics, because this is going to be a permanent fixture on your dresser or your nightstand. With this device, even with all the powerful charging capabilities they've built into this thing, they've managed to actually keep it really slim and sleek, and the rectangular shape gives it a modern aesthetic compared to a lot of other chargers that we've seen. So the surface of the pad is leather, which definitely gives it a more premium look, and the quality here seems really good, which makes sense since this charger does cost a little bit more than some other devices out there. The base is aluminum with a nice matte finish, and the construction is good and does seem really well built. On the back you have a few ports. The first one, the USB-C PD with fast charge. This can charge the new iPad Pro or any other device up to 18 watts. So you can be charging your tablet and phone at the same time using just this one charger. The USB-A port is next for all your devices that use this port, which is capable of 7.5 watts of power. This is the power input, which plugs in nice and tightly, and I don't see any chance of that coming loose if things do get bumped around on your table. And next is the ambient light sensor, and this will cause the light at the front to actually dim at night so it doesn't light up your room while you're trying to sleep. And we also like that this light, it's an amber color, but it turns white when the phone is fully charged, so it's easy to tell when your phone is charged up and ready to go. The base station has 3 power coils which support up to 10 watts each, or 7.5 watts on the iPhone. And you can lay it down in a few ways on the base station. You can put one phone horizontally. The iPhone 10 shown here fits perfectly. Or you can place the phone vertically, and this way you can either charge 2 phones side by side, or you can charge your AirPods with a third-party charging case on the other half. When you put it down vertically, do check that it does start charging. We found that when using it this way, we initially had to move it around a little bit to make sure that we were in that right spot, hitting that coil just right. Overall, it was pretty responsive, and after the first couple of times we tried this, we knew exactly what to do, and it wasn't a problem at all. Another cool feature is that you can even charge the phone while the case is on. So Nomad has just made a really good product here. We have yet to find a phone charger with this sleek, modern aesthetic and powerful charging capabilities. The main appeal, of course, is the slim design, its ability as a charging hub for your larger devices like the iPad Pro, and the fact that you can charge up to 4 devices at once. The ambient light sensor is a really nice touch as well, and the leather and aluminum construction has a nice high-end feel. As of now, this is the best wireless phone charger we found, and definitely the one we would suggest to get. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and make sure to hit that like button. Until next time, this is Radial TV.